Hey everyone! Did you know that the next version of ChatGPT, GPT-6, could take the place of up to 99% of online marketers? Does that sound extreme? Maybe. But think about it. We've already seen GPT-4 write better ad copy than people, design whole sales pages, and even write scripts for videos. Now picture a model that is 10 times faster, 5 times more accurate, and almost perfectly understands how people feel. That's GPT-6. And it's not coming soon. It's almost here. But wait, a lot of you watch the videos all the way through and still don't subscribe. Hey, it's your job now to subscribe. If you don't, I won't say anything next time. And come on, leave a comment and let us know what you think. Will GPT-6 really replace marketers? In 2023, AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai were already doing 60% of marketing tasks on their own. HubSpot and Gartner say that by the middle of 2024, more than 82% of digital marketing teams were using AI tools to make content and improve ads. Now, GPT-6 is going to change the whole ecosystem. Not only will GPT-6 make content, but it will also plan, analyze, and carry out campaigns from start to finish. Think about how easy it would be to type in your product name and get a full brand strategy in just a few minutes. This would include ads, keywords, visuals, landing page content, voiceovers, and even video narration, all tailored to your target audience. So, what's the difference between GPT-6 and GPT-4 or GPT-5? Context. Memory. It can remember months of information about your brand's history, your tone, and what your audience likes. Visual and voice integration. It can make not only text but also matching images, ad banners, and voiceovers that are all in line with your brand. Predictive analytics. It will predict how well ads will do, change budgets automatically, and make ROI better in real time. Imagine this. You upload information about your product, and GPT-6 makes 5 different ads, runs them all, collects data on how many people buy, and gives you the best one, all without you having to do anything. That's not the future. That's smart automation. Here's the hard truth. If your job in marketing is to repeat things, GPT-6 will take your place. Writers, ad managers, copy editors, and even SEO experts who use templates or simple automation will have a hard time. But if you're a brand storyteller, creative strategist, or AI workflow director, GPT-6 will make you unstoppable. AI can come up with ideas, but only people can give them meaning and feeling. The people who learn to lead AI, not compete with it, will be the real winners. Let's take a look at the numbers. More than 90% of online marketing content will be helped by AI by 2026. Campaigns that use AI are already getting 35% more people to interact with them than traditional marketing. Companies that use AI tools like ChatGPT, Hygen, and 11 Labs say they have saved up to 60% on the cost of making content. When people say AI will take my job, what they really mean is that someone who uses AI will take your job. This is how to get ready for GPT-6. Learn how to talk to AI by mastering prompt engineering. Create a personal brand that AI can't copy. Checkmark use tools like HeyGen, 11 Labs, and Leonardo.ai to boost your creativity. The link is in the description. Check it out now. Focus on emotion, honesty, and telling stories. Those are the things that still work for people. So the question isn't, will GPT-6 take the place of marketers? It's, are you ready to change? Marketers of the future won't be writing ads. They'll be running AI campaigns. It's not coming. It's already here. Get more information about AI tools, tutorials, and digital growth by subscribing to AI Amorphix. Those who adapt will have a bright future.